One of my favorite parts of being a doctor?
Does this look like a healthy bowel movement to you?
Dinner party questions. And for questions about gut health, my first recommendations are Physician's Choice Probiotics, doctor-approved formulas for digestive support. Did you know your gut has trillions of microorganisms living in it?
No.
Yep, and that delicate bacterial balance can get out of whack if you don't care for it. But Physician's Choice Probiotics keep your gut microbiome in great shape. Better digestion means a better you. And you deserve to feel at home in your own body.
Doc, settle a bet. The immune system's centered in your elbow, right?
No. But this doctor-approved formula helps support your immune response.
She said yes. I told you.
Physician's Choice formulas are made with your health in mind, with easy-to-swallow, delayed-release capsules.
Guess this will be our little secret, Doc.
There is no secret. There's over 70,000 five-star reviews from customers who are proudly taking charge of their gut health.
I don't feel like I have a volcano in my stomach anymore!
It's time to improve digestion, support your immune system, and feel better. Go with your gut. Head to physicianschoice.com for the digestive support you deserve.